everyone, welcome to Akshu's Kitchen. Today we'll see how to prepare pizza rolls, for which we'll need the following ingredients: 500 grams of white flour or bread flour. You can also use a plain flour or maida, 6 grams of salt, 7 grams of yeast, 40 grams of unsalted butter, and 2 tablespoons, that is approximately 15 grams of sugar. First, I'm going to add the flour in a bowl, and along with this I'm going to add the salt, yeast, the sugar, and I'm going to mix all these dry ingredients well, and then I'm going to add the butter, which I have melted it in the microwave for a minute, and I'm going to mix all these ingredients well together with the butter. And finally I'm going to add about 250 ml of warm water. Make sure you do not overheat it, it will kill the yeast, and if it's not warm, if it is a little bit cold, it will not activate the yeast. And I'm going to knead this into a smooth dough for about 10 to 12 minutes. And now you can see it's all combined well. Form it into a proper round shaped dough and put it in the bowl again, and I am going to cover it with a damp kitchen towel and put it in a warm place to ferment so that it doubles in size. It will take about an hour or two if you are in a warm place, and if you are in a colder place it will take more time. Put it near a heater or warmer and it will rise up easily. Now punch it back, and I am going to put it in a worktop. First dust it with some flour, and I'm going to knead it for a minute until all the cracks or gaps in the dough is filled up and it becomes a round dough like this, and keep it aside. Now I'm going to punch some of the dough out, and I'm going to roll it out into a either rectangular shape or circle shape. I have got about 1/3 of the prepared dough now. So today I'm going to knead it into a circle shape, but the rectangle shape will be more appropriate. It will reduce some wastage. And now I have got some pizza sauce. You can use either the homemade or the readily available pizza sauce, and just spread it all over the rolled dough, and also sprinkle some basil and oregano for flavor. You can also use some mixed Italian herbs, but the basil and oregano will be enough. That will give the required flavor. And now I'm going to roll it from one side. Do not push the dough, then it will not form layers. Just lift it gently and start rolling from one side until you reach the end. I have left some space at the edges so that the sauce does not come out while rolling, and now it is ready. Before I cut them into small pieces, I am going to prepare the baking tray. I am going to sprinkle it with some flour and keep it ready. Next, using a knife, I am going to trim the two edges, so it is uneven on both the sides. I am going to take it off, and then I am going to cut it into small pieces about 1 to 1.5 inch size, and carefully take it out and place it in the baking tray. Now I am going to allow this to double in size again. It will increase in size, so make sure you leave place between each piece, and also just loosen the layers so that it gets space to double in size. And now I am going to complete it with the remaining and cover it with the cling film and put it in a warm place for about half an hour or 1 hour maximum so that it increases in size. Now you can see it has doubled in size. I am going to top each roll with some grated cheese. I am using a mix of grated mozzarella and cheddar cheese. You can use just the mozzarella cheese if you want, and I am going to put it in the oven for about 15 to 20 minutes at 150 degrees Celsius, or until it is golden brown in color on the top. And now pizza roll is ready. It is really simple and loved by kids. Try it and you'll really like it. Thank you for watching Akshu's Kitchen.